Hey everyone, hello! With the new Harmonize feature in Photoshop, matching the colors of two photos is now just a single click away. Make sure you're using the latest version of Photoshop Beta, then open your photo in Photoshop. Place the photo you want to color match on top of your base photo. To quickly remove the background of the top image, simply click the Remove button in the Contextual Task Bar. If the Contextual Task Bar isn't visible, no worries. Just right-click and select Show Contextual Task Bar from the top of the menu. Next, select the top layer in the Layers panel and click the Harmonize button in the Contextual Task Bar. Photoshop will take care of the rest. The object you added will now match the colors of your photo, and to make it even more realistic, it even adds a shadow. Just a heads up, this feature also uses the AI credits from your Creative Cloud account. More videos coming soon. Don't forget to subscribe.